1.
Make or download something. Selective clone. Object. Pick a lamp. Export mesh.
2.
Update the mesh by merging your new mesh with the original.
3.
Select Vertex mode. Select white for areas that have all light. Select grey for areas that have some light. Select black for areas that have no light. For isolated selection, select the cube.
4.
Select a vertex at the heart of the light. Click M. Locate transform selection. Copy Z coordinates.
5.
In Sims 4 Studio, re-import on all LODs. Warehouse. Light. Edit lights. Transform. Paste Z coordinates. In at shows the area the light will affect. Play with it. Test it. Talk about lighting up one's life.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.